What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Now in this video, y'all probably seen by the thumbnail, we're gonna be installing this trunk emblem. Now hold on, let me set y'all up real quick so I can show y'all what was all sent. Okay, now I ordered the gold one because I really like the gold one, and I'm gonna eventually order the gold front one too. So we got the gold one right now. I was gonna order the gold with blue, but I was like, I'm gonna just keep the original Caprice color right there and just get a gold one. This was like $80, which I ain't think it was really worth that much, but you feel me? Price has been going up for a minute now. Now it came with these pins. I don't have the tool to install them pins, so for now we're just gonna install it with some screws. We're just gonna use some screws or something that I can use for now. That's gonna hold me off till now. For now, that's because I just want to really put this emblem on. I feel like the back part of the car don't look really that well without the emblem. You feel me? So we're gonna end up just throwing that on for now. Then, like a little bit later, I know my dad probably got the tool to use it for them pins, to put them pins in there so it'll lock it in there so can't nobody just steal it. Because them emblems, like I said, they hard to come by. And if you want to get them, you gotta pay a pretty penny, almost $100 just for that trunk emblem. The front emblem is like $90. So, like I said, this stuff ain't cheap, especially just for some little emblems. You feel me? So we gonna get ready to install that. Like I said, we just gonna put it on for now. We ain't gonna worry about putting the pins in for now, because I don't think nobody gonna come over here and mess with my car. Hopefully they won't. But if y'all ain't check out the last video, we hooked up some new speakers to the car and it was beating really good. Like, I really like the way it sounded. Hopefully it don't get copyrighted, bro, because it sounded really good. But yeah, I appreciate y'all for tuning in for this one. We finna get ready to install this emblem. Then I need to run to Walmart to get a new mic. I broke my mic in the last video too. So yeah, I'm finna get out. We finna get ready to see if I can install this. So yeah, y'all stay tuned for this. Let's get ready to get started. Alright, y'all, so don't laugh at me, dog, but I'm rigging up something to try to make this work. Literally rigging up something just to try to make this work for now. This ain't flush all the way. I'm gonna have to take that off. But you can't tell me that don't look good though. Hold on, y'all. Y'all on my tripod, so bear with me. But you can't tell me that don't look good. You feel me? Okay, we just open it up right there to the key. Nah, that ain't gonna work though. I'm gonna have to take that off. But you feel me? That's basically my little vision. If y'all get what I'm saying. I'm trying to rig up something to get this to start. What I really need is, like, I don't even know how you're supposed to do this for real now. Be honest, I could let that stay until I get the right stuff, cause you feel me, this ain't coming out. Nah, that ain't coming out. Hold on, y'all. Let me loosen y'all up. It ain't moving. The only way you can get it unless you. Listen, if somebody try to get this, I catch it by the time they're trying to get it off, because it'll take them a minute. Yeah, let me get y'all off of here real quick. Hold on. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all think. This right here, I can get this off. This ain't nothing. It's just I ain't had time to really clean the car because I ain't had it too long. Like when y'all see my first video on this car, that's literally the day I got it back. But you feel me? It looked pretty good. Let me grab my key so I can unlock it for y'all, show y'all what's really going on. Now I know y'all ain't gotta tell me. I know screws not supposed to go in there because you don't want nobody to steal it. But like I said, I just need to do something really. For one, I'm low on, I need to record as many videos as possible. But you feel me? Good little turn, open. And you see, I'm pulling on it and it ain't going nowhere. So really, this I could leave it like this for now. Y'all gonna get on my head about this though, cause I use some screws. But like I said, this is just temporary. This is until I get the car painted. When I get the car painted, I'm gonna get this on there really, cause you can still see the paint regardless. You can still see the paint around it. And I gotta get this adhesive off. Which I don't know who put that on here or why the previous owner did that. But the Capri symbol is gone. I gotta order a Capri symbol. And I still gotta order this piece right here. That piece, it's like $150. People trying to sell me for that piece. I don't know if I want to get a new one of these or just fix it. Cause all this is black paint, and then they left this chrome. All I gotta do is get some tape, some painting tape, block all them letters off, and just paint the black. Or I could just order a new one and get a gold one, cause I want to eventually get some gold handlebars too. You feel me? Yeah, if y'all see my vision, let me know. But I eventually want to get some gold handlebars. Or doorknobs, I mean, really. Or whatever you want to call them. But, you feel me? We really in there. You know what? I know y'all finna get on my head, but I'm just let it be. I'm leaving this like this for now. I'm not gonna undo it. I'm gonna just leave it like that for now. But y'all ain't check out the last video, go check out that last video where we installed the new subs. Well, new to me. That was my pops, but he wasn't using them. He told me I could use them until I order mine. So don't mind me, y'all. I'm just trying to clean up my mess a little bit. This is my little travel toolbox. It's my toolbox to go with me everywhere I go. I'm gonna fix that in a second. But yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think about the emblem. I think it looked really good on there, regardless if it ain't on there all the way. Like I said, that's just temporary, bro. So y'all please watch this all the way through. That's just temporary. It's not staying on there like that. I just really wanted to get a video out for y'all, showing y'all my emblem, because it took so long to come in. So yeah, I'm figuring to do the outro, then I gotta run somewhere. So give me a second. All right, y'all, that's gonna be it for this one. Like I told y'all in the last video, I broke my mic, so I'm finna regear to run to Walmart, see if I can get a new cord and a plug. If not, I'm gonna have to buy a whole new mic. And I had to order this offline because I didn't see one at Walmart last time. But I appreciate y'all for watching. Y'all let me know how y'all think the emblem look. Like I said, it's just temporary. It's not gonna stay on there, because I want to get the car painted before I throw the emblem on. But my front emblem, whenever I get that, we're gonna throw that on too. Like I said, I just need to record a video. I wanted to get a video out for y'all. I'm trying to stay consistent. Even though YouTube ain't pushing my videos, but we're gonna figure it out. And I'm sorry for saying so much. I was doing good when I first started doing vlogs without saying it, but it's like as I got going, as I got more comfortable, I started saying it a lot. So, excuse me. I'm finna work on not saying that so much. But like I said, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Y'all do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell. Yeah, and today was a really good productive day. Hopefully I'm finna drop off the Caprice. Hopefully tomorrow I'm dropping it off. We got I said again, my bad, y'all. I'm gonna work on that for real. But like I said, the last video, if y'all ain't checked that out, we installed the music. This video we did the emblem. That's not staying. I don't know how many times I gotta stress it, but it's not. It's temporary. We just gonna leave it like that for now. I just really, like I said, I wanted to get a video for y'all, so that's what it is. What it is right now. It's not staying. Once I figure out how to get that on there, if y'all can tell me, let me know. If I can figure out how to get that on there without having to use like screws and stuff so nobody can steal it, let me know. Them pins, I really don't know how them pins will work. I guess they're like squeeze in the back or something. I really don't know. I really don't. But we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna get it on there. It ain't sitting flush because of the screws and the way I had to set it up. But we're gonna figure it out. It's gonna get done. Y'all watch. It's gonna get done. Y'all just keep trusting in me. Like I said, I appreciate y'all for watching. Hopefully this video wasn't too long. But we got the emblem on. Y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all. Share my channel for me so we can get the channel around more and we can grow more. And the more we grow, the more I can do stuff. So like I said, I appreciate y'all for watching. I'll catch y'all in the next one.